The Earth, our home. And just like our own homes, we like to keep it clean. However, our actions tell us otherwise. We as a species have polluted the planet's ground, water, and air, contributing to global warming and causing other long-lasting environmental damages. Nowhere is it more evident than in our own community. Though pollutants seem out of sight, it is the very own air we breathe that has been contaminated with harmful substances. Though car emissions contribute to air pollution, the most prominent culprits are none other than the massive, toxic petrochemical plants that call Pasadena home. These pollutants include NOx, SOx, heavy metals such as lead, and suspended particles known as particulate matter. The most recent and notorious assault on our environment was a massive ITC fire here in our own backyard, which burnt for days on end, releasing dangerous carcinogenic substances such as benzene into the air. This was a prime example of how the petrochemical industry is harming our community's health and environment due to its release of what the EPA labels criteria air pollutants. These include the aforementioned NOx, SOx, lead, and particulate matter, along with ozone and carbon monoxide, all of which affect our health and environment in differing ways. For example, NOx and SOx both react in the atmosphere to produce acid rain, damaging buildings, vegetation, and especially aquatic life. Equally dangerous anthropogenic ozone is formed in the presence of sunlight and produces smog that is harmful to breathe and further damages vegetation. On a more personal level, these criteria air pollutants cause us lots of bodily harm. NOx, SOx, anthropogenic ozone, and particulate matter wreak havoc on our respiratory tract and lungs, along with causing eye irritation. The intake of lead can cause brain and kidney damage, while carbon monoxide can cause headaches, heart damage, and eventually death. So obviously, these pollutants pose a clear and present danger to our community, and solutions must be put into place. We can reduce our environmental impact by taking public transit or carpooling, which reduces overall vehicle emissions. And as for industry, though they are a vital part of our economy, they must be held responsible for the ecological disruption they cause. Stricter laws and expanding environmental regulation is necessary for these plants to care for our clean air.